Hey, this is Will from Blizzard Lighting. I'm here at Uncle Bob's Music Center in beautiful West Dallas, Wisconsin. It's nice and early, so I get to sneak in and do a quick video here. I've got the new Blizzard Lighting puck. As you can see, it's very flat. It's a flat LED Parcan, 144 10mm LEDs. It has IEC power in and then a outlet to go power out of it. LED control panel. There's your DMX in and out. It also has sound active and built-in chases. And had a couple requests to do a quick demo, doing some uplighting with it. So I'm going to set it up against the black wall here and just put it through a few colors. And if you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to make a comment to the video. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for your interest. Okay, so here we are. I've got the puck here set up against the wall. A couple other things I like about this. It does have two mounting yokes on it. You can see here, so you can set it really to any angle you want. You can also lay these completely flat on the ground. So there it is, laying flat on the ground. You don't need the mounting yoke. They do sit flat. This one's getting pulled a little bit because the cord's pretty tight, but you can see how that works. It does throw a really nice wash up at the wall here. I'll show you a couple different colors in just a second. Here's white. And there's a nice cyan. From the desk here to the ceiling, it's a good 8 to 10 feet. Let's see here. There's green, red, magenta, and let's see here. It's a little deeper purple. Let's do a little orange there. And more yellow. Really nice color mixing on this for such a small fixture. Map on this is $139.99. It's 144 10mm LEDs. It's got full strobing, dimmer. There's strobing. It also has some built-in programs in it. See there, you can vary the speed. Yeah, it throws a real nice beam. So that should do it. Hopefully that shows you guys a little bit about what the puck can do. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us a comment or visit our website, give us a call. We'll get back to you. Thanks.